Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore writing workflow with Notion AI content drafts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Notion app or website. Create a new page for your writing project. Select the blank template option for a clean slate. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Add a new block from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and select Notion AI from the options. Type a prompt related to your writing topic. Wait for Notion AI to generate content based on your prompt. Review the generated draft for relevance and clarity. Highlight any sections you wish to revise or expand. Use the editing tools to adjust the text as needed. Add additional prompts for more content if necessary. Incorporate your own ideas and insights into the draft. Organize the content into sections for better flow. Utilize the database feature to keep track of different drafts. Set reminders for deadlines within Notion to stay on schedule. Collaborate with team members by sharing the page link. Use the comments feature for feedback on specific sections. Export your final draft in the desired format for easy sharing. Regularly revisit and update your workflow using Notion AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.